Hi, this is Aman Verma and I will walk you through on AI revolution race between Microsoft and Google, especially in the field of generative AI and be it chat specific images or video generation or on its very own search engines or for workspace backed by generative AI or even few tools for the developers as well. I will share insights on same so that it helps you know about what's available from Microsoft and Google and to choose the best tools for your research, knowledge, productivity, projects, or even to grow your career and business. So let's get started first with generative AI chat tools, wherein OpenAI is an independent research institute that was founded by several individuals, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman. And here, Microsoft is one of the investors in OpenAI, and it has a partnership with it. And many of you might have used ChatGPT, which generates human like text and results to your questions and queries. Now, this ChatGPT is powered by GPT 3.5, and GPT here stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a large language model of ChatGPT, which has been trained on billions of text samples and gathered from across the internet, and it is available as free to public. However, its improved version, which is GPT-4, is a paid language model. GPT 3.5 and 4 are ideal for generating human like text and is fruitful in research, marketing, and customer services and relations. And similarly, Google's ChatGPT competitor, which is Bard, uses Palm 2 as its large language model, and its full form is Pathway Language Model. Let me quickly show you the UI of Bard. It is somehow similar to ChatGPT. However, the key difference between Bard and ChatGPT is that Bard also searches the web as compared to its ChatGPT counterpart. As ChatGPT is trained on the data with a cutoff date till 2021 only, which means that ChatGPT doesn't have access to any of the information or events that occurred after this date. And you can fine tune the responses generated by Bard, as it also gives suggestions at times at the end of your content to help with the content it generated and shows few more drafts if you may like it. As per recent updates, as compared to other languages or AI models, Gemini will be Google's game changer, as it will be the next generation foundation model that follows on from Palm 2. Gemini at present is in a training mode and is expected to be launched tentatively by last quarter of this year. And about how Gemini can be a game changer or different than the other language models is that it's not just trained on text alone. However, Gemini is being developed while keeping multimodal capabilities in mind with a focus on tools and API integrations. For example, today we have AI tools which are focused on doing single tasks only, be it text to text or text to image generative tools. And multimodal approach of Gemini here means that in future AI models might be able to perform more complex and diverse tasks, making them more useful for a wider range of applications, wherein Google's Gemini will be developed in that this particular direction. Now coming to search engine and web search, Bing Chat and search is powered by GPT-4, wherein Bing Chat has additional features as compared to Chat GPT and Bard. To access Bing Chat, you can click on Bing icon at the right side of Microsoft Edge browser, which will then open a Bing Chat window, and you can then choose your own conversation style to get results in a creative, balanced, or more precise answers to your queries and inputs. Creative here means more imaginative or playful and entertaining results that you are seeking. And precise will be for to the point results. Also, we can get summary of the web page from Bing Chat if you don't want to read word by word information available on the opened web page to save your time. And Bing Chat window has three tabs from which we already discussed about chat tab. And the second tab is compose tab for composing emails, paragraphs, blog posts, and idea generation, which we can set a tone to generate the content as professional, casual, and enthusiastic, or informational, or funny, etc. Or we can even add or customize the needed tone from plus button on the right side for content generation as per our requirement. And the third tab is for insights, as it gives us the key topics that we may want to check from the web page in a more focused and elaborative way. And it also has analytics to check page visit analysis and region wise details for same. And for Bing search, you can simply use it in Microsoft Edge or set Bing as default search engine in your browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, or if you wish to use Bing with in these browsers. And in comparison, Bing's search counterpart, which is Google's search, is not yet backed by generative AI model as compared to its competitor Microsoft's Bing. However, Google is working on SGE, which is called as Search Generative Experience, as its generative AI backed search. It is currently in a development and testing phase, which can be experienced through mobile application developed by Google for the same, wherein it is aiming to find quality information faster and to involve AI summary of the results from your search at the top of the page to help you get quicker access to the information as per your search. Also, the other challenge that Google is trying to solve is for finding ways to make money from ads around generative AI content, as it had from the traditional Google search previously. So now that we have discussed on chat tools and search, let's also check the options that we have for text to image or text to videos models in Microsoft and Google. DAL-E is a neural network-based image generation system created by OpenAI, wherein Microsoft is one of its investors and partner. Here, DAL-E stands for Drawing Anything with Language and Lightweight Encoder. Also, DAL-E is a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3 capable of generating high quality images from text input and descriptions given as prompts to its model, wherein it can generate a wide range of images, including objects, animals, scenes, and even fictional characters. And it can combine unrelated concepts in a reasonably believable ways. And in comparison, on the other hand, Imagen is a text to image model developed by Google. And at present, it is not publicly available for use. However, Google has announced that Imagen is being incorporated into multiple Google products, including image generation in Google Slides or Cloud Vortex AI and Android's generative AI wallpaper. And Amazon Video, which is text to video generative AI model, capable of producing high definition videos from text prompts, is not yet released. Because as last year, Google had decided not to release Amazon Video model as it wants to wait on mitigating the concerns about safety and ethical challenges first from it. And Bing from Microsoft also uses Dell E model from OpenAI for generating images from text prompts. With DALL-E, it has the ability to generate unique images and other graphic elements according to each user's specific parameters and needs, wherein it is very useful for marketing and commercial campaigns and product development. And now let's move on to the comparison between Microsoft and Google for its generative AI support on its workspace and dev tools, wherein Microsoft has introduced Microsoft 365 Copilot, which uses GPT-4 as its large language model, and it uses it to automate tasks for its portfolio of work apps, including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. And as Microsoft has invested in its partnership with generative AI vendor, which is OpenAI, and therefore Microsoft has been leveraging the services of OpenAI for steadily integrating AI into its portfolio in the recent years. Microsoft 365 Copilot was introduced in March 2023 and is currently available as a part of the early access program, wherein the program is based upon an invitation only, which is a paid preview and not available to all public in general. Also, we don't have the formal announcement on its availability for public use in general. Similarly, as its counterpart, Google has Duet AI for Google Workspace, which is a powerful new way of working that embeds the power of generative AI across its workspace. Duet AI already works behind the scenes in Workspace to help you write, whether it's refining existing work or helping you get started in both Gmail and Docs, or it is also being brought to Gmail mobile, allowing you to draft complete responses with just a few words as a prompt. Duet AI is also being embedded into slides, so you can easily generate images with a few words. It can also help you analyze and act on your data in sheets faster than ever before with automated data classification and creation of custom plans. And for developers, Microsoft had already released GitHub Copilot service, which benefits from OpenAI's Codex model to help the developers as their pair programmer. Here, Codex model from OpenAI is a code generation model which helps in writing better code and provides suggestions and to complete code snippets using its cutting edge machine learning methods. It can even analyze comments and suggest code as per the comments written for the code by a developer. And Codex helps produce code and documentation in an automated way, wherein Codex model is trained on a considerable large amount of code, and it makes use of this understanding to produce code snippets as per developers inputs supplied as a code or simple language prompts. And Microsoft Azure also offers Azure Open AI service, which allows developers to integrate custom AI powered experiences directly into their own applications through it. It includes access to large language models, including GPT-4, Turbo, ChatGPT, APIs, etc. And as an Azure's competitor, Google Cloud also offers tools such as generative AI support on Vertex AI and generative AI app builder, wherein Vertex AI is a machine learning platform by Google Cloud that helps you train and deploy machine learning methods and AI applications as well. wherein you can even customize large language models to use it in your AI powered applications. And how Vertex AI makes all of this happen is through Model Garden, which provides a wide variety of model types and sizes and flexibility to use the best resources for the business needs. For example, you can see here a few models as Palm for text and chat, and Imagine for text to image, Cody for code completion, and Chirp for speech to text, and so on. So, all in all, AI revolution has taken up a good speed. So, learn the tools as per your needs to stay ahead and rise high. Thank you for listening in, and for more updates on latest trends, tech and tools, please follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.